To the major bridges in the Liberty City metropolitan area, resulting in major traffic problems and some stranded motorists scuffling with police. Mike Whiteley on the scene.
Some local bleeding hearts are whining about freedoms and police brutality. One resident said after his scuffle with police, he said,
"Ladies, this is Roman Fairley, but you already know that. Leave a message."
How to treat people in the future.
by the Broker Bridge in the fish market, I'm Mike Whiteley, Weasel News.
Firearms news brought to you by Patriot Beer. Chilla is launching a crackdown on the sale of illegal firearms.
Thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to protect me from those crazy loan sharks you attacked, Nico!
You shouldn't have borrowed money from them in the first place, Roman. Anyway, I was seeing Michelle. I thought you wanted me to date her.
Not when it means me getting beat up and sent to hospital! Come and pick me up, cousin, and at least tell me that you got the titties out. Maybe then your betrayal will be worthwhile. You got nice titties, yes?
We exploit you. Independence FM.
You're an animal, Roman. Nothing can stop you being horny. I'll see you soon.
I petitioned Congress to outlaw every... suitable for children, but they're not listening. Try Vindication Angel Christmas to then immediately right. That's right. The Vindication Angel Curse Buster PC monitors television movies with profanity and replaces it with a convenient similar sounding movie.
Turn right.
Come over here and lick my
Banana bread.
Plus, if your children try to watch gymnastics, tennis, or any other softcore pornography,
left.
send a text
Then
message
immediately
so
left.
you can feel like you're parenting, even when you're not. With the Vindication
Turn
Angel
right.
Ghostbuster PC, you never have to worry about your children being exposed
Turn
to
left.
bestiality, polygamy, drug or alcohol use, mooning, heavy petting, teabagging,
arrived.
attractive teen girls in bikinis, homosexuality, or science. The Vindication Angel Curse Buster BC.
There is the man who chose Cooch before his cousin. I hope she was worth it. Will you drive me back to the office, cousin?
And you think you're the genius around here? Welcome to Independence FM.
In 10 yards.
How was she, cousin? Tell me how she was. I wondered about Michelle when I first met her. If she was not a friend of Mallory's, it would be me with the smell of titty on my breath, and you who ended up in hospital.
Firstly, Roman, my breath does not smell of titty. Secondly, I don't think that your loan shark friends could hospitalize me. I can look after myself.
All the more reason why I should have hooked up with Michelle. Everyone would be a winner.
Yes, well, I will not let these men treat you like that again. I'm sorry for letting you down, Roman.
Waiting with the Stars, a new season coming soon on Weasel. We've put you in control. Only now do you
In
realize
100 yards.
nothing to say.
Turn right.
Independence FM.
It may be your radio station, but you still got to play
Please
commercials.
make a
I'm a
U-turn
happy
where
homemaker
safe.
in child rear when I'm not home. And having two kids can be exhausting.
50
Even if you're
yards.
an immigrant doing all the
Turn
real work.
left.
I found myself being frigid and snappy with my
You have
husband.
arrived.
And soon my marriage was in trouble. Then I realized
Roman,
what the problem
I
was.
apologize again for not being there for you. You've done a lot for me since I got here.
The choice between some titties and your safety would have been difficult for me as well. Don't worry, Nico. Call me soon.
Moms, the Relax Power X motorized scooter from Ambulate lets you move further and faster and save energy for what really matters, protecting your family's health. You'll move quicker and have a lot more energy for the important things like shopping, burying relatives.